Guys here are practicing actually? Just tell me the truth, no problem. How many of you guys are practicing? I don't know. Rajesh, you here? Yes, Rajesh. Rajesh not here. He's gone. Do you have any new student come up there? So if anybody comes up there, just tell them how do you use the tool. Just say hi, hello, use this, that. Okay, I don't know. So here, let us check this. So localhost Tutoslive underscore php slash date underscore functions dot php. I don't know what it does. So you see here, now you guys tell me what's the difference. Is there any difference? So php time and javascript time. No? Okay, I don't have to write this big program to explain that thing. Okay, I could have told you guys then there itself the difference. So what's the difference? I'm showing the program again. So this is PHP timestamp. So when I say time, it means timestamp. So what is it? What does it return? It returns. Here it is. It returns timestamp in seconds from Jan 1st, 1970 midnight. Okay. Whereas JavaScript time returns the same except that it is in milliseconds. So this is milliseconds. So whatever the later JavaScript part is milliseconds. That's the only difference there. Alright, you guys good with that? So any questions there? So this is most important, like how do you get the time? So I'll just make sure you guys have a good practice. I don't know, you guys did not answer the previous question, like how many of you guys are practicing. So that's one problem. Okay, fine. So you guys got the difference, right? That's okay. So now let's go ahead and see our this part. Okay, let's see this part. What does it exactly do? Now let's go to our screen share again. Okay, so let's go here now. Date. So are you guys watching the videos? I don't know, I'm just asking this question so many times. I hope you guys know how to use Tutoslive website, most probably. Alright, so let's go ahead and see our date function. So uh, let's do it here. JavaScript time, let that be. So I can change this actually. Instead of d get time, it must be local string, I guess. And let me just check this. So I don't exactly remember. So Google JavaScript local. Okay, it must be local string, I guess. Yeah, this is it. To local string. Yeah. So this is a better picture. To local string. Alright, so let's go ahead and see, refresh and see how this look like. Alright, so now everything has been changed to my system time. This is my system time. So I want to exactly print the same thing in PHP. How can I do that? That is our next task. Okay, so let's see how can we do that. Instead of printing time directly, okay, instead of printing time directly, what I do is echo. I'll use the date function. Okay, the first part of the date function is an expression, is a format expression, and the second is time. If you want to print current time, you have to give this. If you do not want current time, let's say if you want a different date, so I'll tell you guys how to do that too. Okay, so let's just print the current time first. So the first is an expression. Expression is a string, so that's the reason it goes inside the quotes. Okay, so the first part of the date function is an expression, and the second part is time. So now let's see. So here, Monday, the whole of Monday. So how do we see Monday? So you go here and check for, you see here, if you use lowercase l, it will print the weekday, it says. So what I do, just I'll check it if it gives this right thing or not. So I'm lowercase l, that's a lowercase l. So I come here, it's a print. Yeah, it's coming good. Now there's a comma after Monday, and there is month name. Okay, there is a comma and month name. Let's see, comma and month name. So month name is, where is the month name? So if you want full month name, it's capital F. Okay, if you want short, you want capital M. So I'll use short because it does not matter, because May however is short. Let's see if it's printing the right thing or not. So I go here, I refresh this. What does it do? It prints the right thing, but there's a space, right? So I'll change the expression, I'll add a space here. Let's see. Right, Monday, May. Now then it's printing date there. Date with no zero before. So which is nothing but day of the month without leading zeros. It's small j. So capital M space small j. Let's see if it's printing the right thing or not. Monday, May 5th. Then again there is a comma, space, and year, capital Y, as you guys told. Capital Y is full year, and there is short year too. Not just full year, there is a short year. Where is it? Capital Y is gone. See, 2D representation is small y. Alright, then what is there? Then there is an hour. It's a 12-hour format. It's not 24-hour format. So there are 2-hour formats. One is a 24-hour format. You see here, this is 12-hour format with no leading zero, whereas this is 12-hour format with a leading zero. So let's write without leading zero. So which is G. Okay. So what is there after year? Here there is space, then space, then small h, then a colon, then minutes, then seconds. Then there is AM or PM, right? It's a capital AM and PM. Let's check for it also. So capital AM and PM is capital A, small AM or PM is small a. So capital A. So let's see if this prints the exact thing. Okay, 7:09:30 p.m. it says. It's some other, I don't know what time zone it is, but it's printing in a different time zone. Okay, but the format is right? Is the format right? Any questions here? It's pretty simple. Okay, all you got, that's why I told you this is very important, the format. Okay, so if you have to change, if you want to print a different format of a date, which function you are supposed to use? If you want to print a different format, so it's up to you guys now to just do experimentation with different formats. I don't know if you guys are following me. So are you guys following me about the date function? Yes, great. Fantastic. So Kavita, Rajesh and Sumalata, you guys here? Yeah, great. So Rajesh, are you listening? Are you are you able to understand this? And Lenin, I know you're there too. Is Lenin there? Okay, and I don't know about Sumalata. Hello, Sumalata? I don't know. I don't know how about this. Fine. So now it's up to you guys to do different experiments with this. The same format. It's just that. Now suppose I want a short representation. I don't want that big representation. What do? I go here. I'll say instead of L, I'll say D, and let's see. I change it. I refresh. Now it says mon. So this is how. Now fine. I want to know which time zone is this in.